Okay, now you have the second paragraph, and there is a heading you can see that is cuts and scrapes. Handling minor accidents at home or on the road develops a sense of crisis management. This may prepare people to tackle with unexpected emergencies with great confidence. Minor cuts and scrapes usually do not need to go to the emergency room, yet proper care is essential to avoid infection or other complications. Following guidelines can help you to handle crisis and take care of all. So, if we are able to handle minor injuries, minor cuts, wounds, or minor accidents, it develops a sense of crisis management in emergencies, because the crisis management arises when you come across an emergency. And if we get some minor cuts or some scrapes, then we need to go or see the doctor, because these can easily be treated at home. Because whenever we have such cuts or scrape, then we rush to the doctor and see the doctor. But if we have some knowledge, we can deal such situation at home, and then no need to go to the doctor, no need to go to the hospitals, because these can easily be treated, these can easily be dealt at home, because first aid is an initial treatment which is given or provided at home. But if we face major infections or complications, because it is also written over here, like if we come across some complications, then when what we are supposed to do then, definitely then we have to go and see the doctor, we have to get treatment, immediate treatment from the doctor. And because sometimes it happens that the complications are very severe, when then going to the doctor is very much important. And rather we must visit a doctor, because here we are not guided that we must not see or we must not go to the doctor and get treatment from the doctor. But if we have some minor cuts or injuries that can be dealt easily at home, then we must treat ourselves at home. But if we think these diseases or these injuries or these cuts or wounds are cannot be treated at home, then we must rush towards the doctor and get an immediate help and immediate guidance from the doctor. So we must rather go to the doctor, and according to our convenience. And some of the guidelines are also provided here to handle crisis and take care of all injuries, or all the people who are suffering from different sorts of cuts or wounds and injuries. Then they must see a doctor.